Hi everyone, my name is Kahina Haynes and I'm the director of the Dance Institute of Washington, a nonprofit school in Washington, D.C. in the U.S. So Dance Institute is really excited to be here. As a school, our students really look forward to experiences with professional companies. So when we learned about the National Dance Company here in Ecuador, it was a tremendous opportunity to go and experience what professional companies in different countries, what types of dance they're doing, what types of performance opportunities they're doing. One of the most important parts of training is really the exchange of cultures and practices. There's so much that we're learning. I was honestly surprised as a ballet instructor. We are oftentimes not really valued, I think, in different regions, depending on what the priorities are of the country. And I was so amazed that a country has a national focus and a national priority on dance and training dancers. So my experience has been amazing. I love everything, the food, the people, the music. I'm excited to learn more. I would like to thank the Ministry of Culture and Patrimony here in Ecuador, as well as the directors of the National Dance Company, Roberto Rivera and Andrea Jaramillo, and of course, Gina Safadi with us over at the Dance Institute of Washington, who introduced this entire partnership. Thank you so much.